This is how to install, configure, and use all Trezor features. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Trezor is an external wallet, the so-called hardware wallet, which increases the security of cryptocurrency storage. Every time we want to send funds from our external wallet, we must physically connect it to the computer, enter the PIN, confirm, and only then the transaction is completed. There is no other way to do it. So at the moment, this type of solutions are considered the safest available. This will be a complete guide. I will show you how to install the software, configure Trezor, how to send and receive transfers, what is important and what to pay attention to, and how to connect Trezor to the metamask wallet. The first important thing is to order a wallet, which should come only from an official manufacturer. Never order second-hand exhibition equipment or from an unknown source. On many websites, there is a list of fraudsters who have been thwarted, including cases where wallets were faked in order to deceive people later on. This is why you should invest in your safe future and order equipment directly from the manufacturer. You will find a safe link under this video. I already have my wallet prepared for installation, so I will now go to the Installation App tab and download the software. After a few minutes of downloading, I install the files and run the program. We can install it with any type of operating system. The installation itself is very simple and does not require any skills. Just click Next. After installation, I run the program. In the next stage, we are asked to connect our external wallet to the computer. The device will be detected automatically once it detects voltage in our port. Then there is a question about collecting analytical data. I click Skip, and you have to decide for yourself. Confirm. We see information that the configuration should take about 5 minutes. I click Set up Trezor. Now update the device software, or click Continue if it is already up to date. In this section, you can recover a wallet created in the past if you have your seed recovery phrase. This function may be useful in the future when installing software on a new computer or if something breaks. Right now, we will focus on installing a completely new device. I choose Create New Wallet and Standard Seed Backup. The application requires confirmation on our Trezor. I confirm and select Create Backup, where we are redirected to the instructions where the most important information appears. While reading, I select all and finally begin backup. Then we move on to determining the seed phrase, which is a very important stage. During this step, 24 words, also known as the seed phrase, will appear on the device screen. It is crucial to write down these words. If you lose the phrase visible on the screen, you will never regain access to your wallet. This phrase will be needed to log into your account on the new device, either after resetting the device or when you forget your login PIN. If you lose the seed phrase, you lose your money forever. Don't save it on your computer because your computer may crash. Do it properly and write down the seed on a piece of paper. Now you see my security key. It means the wallet I create will never be secure again. With this key, anyone in the world can open my wallet at any time. And this is why you need to take proper care of your safety. I'll speed up the video to save some time. In the next step, we are asked to verify our password. This is to check if you wrote everything down correctly. You have to type each word one by one to make sure everything is okay. I will speed up the video again to save your time. After completing this step, click Continue to PIN and then Set PIN. On the external wallet screen, you will see numbers, and on the computer screen, you need to click on the appropriate arrangement to select your PIN. All digits are arranged in random order to minimize the risk of PIN theft. The second time we confirm, the arrangement of digits changes. And this is practically the very end of the configuration. We choose what coins we want to see in the wallet. Of course, this list can also be expanded later. In summary, we can name our account. I will call it Crypto Explain. It will be a cool name. Now, we can run a regular wallet or a hidden wallet with an additional password. I choose the regular one. After a few more seconds, the setup is complete. Our wallet is ready to use. In the upper left corner, we will see the name of our active profile. After scrolling down, you will find the coins that we added in the earlier stage. In the same place, you can expand the list with other supported coins, which you select from the list. For example, I am activating Litecoin now. The available options depend on the Trezor model you ordered. Below is a summary of security matters. In the Portfolio tab, you will find options like Buy that allow you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly through Trezor, bypassing the need to use other exchanges or transfer funds. The principle is simple. Everything is associated with a commission charged for each operation, which is usually slightly higher than on a regular stock exchange. Now I will show you how to receive a transfer, which is very simple. I press Receive, where a tab with our wallets and deposit addresses appears. You can select any account and reveal its full address. If you do this, Trezor will ask you to verify whether the addresses match. A QR code will also appear. The device does not have to be connected to the computer to receive the transfer. Now I will go to the dashboard and generate a second encrypted account with an additional password. I select the Add Hidden Wallet option. I'm setting my password now. Remember that if you forget it, access to your funds will be lost. It is impossible to recover the hidden wallet password. You must enter your password again to avoid any mistakes. And confirm the operation on our external device again. As you can see, we constantly have to enter passwords, PIN, or confirm operations. This is what the security of an external wallet is all about. From now on, you will see two profiles on the list of available profiles. One regular one, to which you just need to log in by entering your PIN, and the other hidden one, which requires an additional password in addition to the PIN. To send funds, go to the Send tab and complete the fields visible on the screen. There is nothing surprising here. You need to provide the address, amount, select the transfer speed, and confirm with our Trezor. I will show you how to make such a transfer at the very end of the recording. First, we will connect to the metamask. In the meantime, I will replace the Trezor with my second device where I keep my funds. Some of you may want to additionally secure your funds on metamask using an external wallet. I run metamask with the Mantle network enabled. To add Trezor, it doesn't matter which network you use. To do this, click on Accounts, moments later add Hardware Wallet, where you can choose one of several available ones. We choose Trezor. Continue. My browser is not supported, but the function works anyway. I don't want to provide analytical data. I allow the connection. Export the public key, or in other words, reveal the regular deposit address. Enter your PIN code. Additionally, I enter my password for the hidden wallet because that is the only place where I have the funds that I will send. You don't have to do it. After waiting for a while, a list of addresses saved on our device appears. We can export these addresses as an account to metamask. I choose one of them and click Unlock. From now on, you can select the Trezor wallet from the list of metamask profiles. But remember, if you want to make any transfers from this account, you will first have to connect your external device. Without it, you won't be able to do anything. Last thing, transfer. I choose Send. I will send the funds to one of my accounts, for example, savings. I enter the number of coins. Let's say 100. Continue at the bottom. If everything is correct in the summary, I confirm. I allow MetaMask to connect to the application, then Trezor asks me to verify. I check all data on the external device screen and confirm. and finally the transfer is sent. These are the most important things I wanted to tell you. Remember never to enter your seed phrase in MetaMask to log in, as shown in some YouTube videos. The only correct method is the one you saw on the screen if you want to stay safe. By connecting your account in this way, MetaMask is only an intermediary in accessing your funds that are stored on Trezor. At the end, if you are looking for a complete cryptocurrency training, check out my crypto guide on Udemy. The link is below this video. If you like my material, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Good luck!